Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn what is jQuery, right? So this is the tutorial on jQuery. So why we are using the jQuery and what is first of all, when we use JavaScript, sometimes we think that the JavaScript is typical for us. So to make the use of the JavaScript functions and do all the things, we can use the jQuery. jQuery is the library and you can just use the CDN path and you are good to go. And here you can access all the functions of the jQuery. You can see animation, show, hide, on change, click events, selector, ID, attribute, document.onload, document.ready, and closest div, parent div, children, child div. So you will get each and everything from the help of the jQuery. Suppose you want to perform an action on the button click. So with the help of jQuery, you can use the dot click function and you can perform the action accordingly. You can submit the form with the help of this jQuery and validate the form whether all the fields are valid or not. We will all going to learn in in this jQuery tutorials, and hope please be with us and to learn the jQuery pattern and all the things. So we will going to describe you each one step by step tutorial. What is jQuery, how to use it, how to add the library, and everything we are going to use in this series. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Let's begin the tutorial in the next one. Like, let's see what we are going to learn on the next one. So good luck and have a great day.